In order to set up a database connection in Excel with BarTender, you'll open up a database that looks something like this. So I'm just going to save this somewhere familiar. The hardest part of this is remembering where you saved this document. We'll call this one sample database in Excel. So we now have a database that has the serial number, a header. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this so we can visually see the difference. Right. It'll look something like that. And we got a bunch of data. Save that. The trick, first thing is you have to be out of Excel in order for this to work right. Now we just open BarTender and open a label format. We have ourselves a label. If we take a barcode, we're just going to do a linear barcode, but it could be any style. You could do a QR code if we wanted to. It doesn't matter. It acts the same. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take that barcode, double click it to go to properties. We're going to go to data sources. And then you see where it says embedded data. We're going to change this to database connection. The type is going to be database field. And then it's going to ask us about a data. We don't have any fields connected because we have no database. So we hit database connection. We know that in this case, it's an Excel spreadsheet. We are now going to go find that spreadsheet that I just created. And then we're just going to use the first sheet. We only have one tab. If we had multiple tabs, we could do that. And finish. And cancel. And now we choose the serial number because that's the only header we have. But if we had multiple headers, if we had item number, serial, and description, we would choose it for each of the barcodes. Hit finish. Hit close. I'm going to go ahead and make this small. And then when we hit print, at print time, we have the option because database is set up, we can choose which records that we want to use. Do we want to use this one, and this one, and then hit OK? And do I want to print one copy of each or multiple copies of each? That's all it takes to set up a database.